Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection issues of your JBL Alive 500. So this will be useful for you when you have, for example, the unstable connection or when you cannot pair your headphones with any device. So take a look. What do you have to do? Grab the headphones, and before this process you have to charge them for like 20 or 30 minutes. That's also very important. And we have to power on our speaker by using this button. And then we have to locate these two buttons. That's the volume up and volume down buttons. We have to click and hold these two buttons together. So let's do this right now. Until this indicator starts blinking white. Yeah, it blinks for the 2 times, then release. Right now headphones restart and they go to the pairing mode manually. So we perform the reset, we restore all default settings, and right now when you restart your Bluetooth settings on the phone, you will get the new pairing request, or you can manually select them, and right now you will be paired for another time, and right now everything will be fine. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.